Tired of guessing your pocket option trades? Let's explore how to find or even create free trading signals. But hold on, it's not all sunshine and profits. First, let's talk signal sources. Forget the guaranteed win promises. Legit free signals often come from analyzing economic calendars. Think news releases like interest rate decisions or unemployment figures. These events can cause big market swings. Look for free economic calendars online and note the potential impact level: high, medium, or low. Next, you can explore simple technical analysis. Learn basic chart patterns like head and shoulders or double tops. Many free resources online, like Investopedia, can teach you these. Spotting these patterns can provide a potential signal, but remember, it's not foolproof. Now, about those free signal bots, be extremely cautious. Most are unreliable or outright scams. If you're code-savvy, you could try building your own basic bot using a programming language like Python to automate the economic calendar or chart pattern analysis we just discussed, but this requires serious programming knowledge. We won't be covering actual code in this video. Integrating any signal, even one you create, into pocket option usually involves manually entering trades based on the signal's suggestions. Some third-party platforms might offer API integration, but research their security and reputation thoroughly. Never give a bot direct access to your entire account balance. Finally, and this is crucial, always practice strict risk management. Never risk more than 12% of your capital on a single trade. No signal, free or paid, is 100% accurate. Use demo accounts to test any strategy before risking real money. Remember, free signals are a starting point, not a guaranteed path to riches. Due diligence is key.